Hello, everybody. My name is Robbie Weidman, and this is the CodePath WEB-102 Intermediate Web Development Project 4 for Spring 2026, where we're making basically our version of a StumbleUpon. I went with the basic example and made cats because I used catapi.com, I think is what it was, suggested in the instructions. So let's go over a few of the features here. So the first thing is that the application features a button that carries a new API fetch request on click and displays, and it displays at least 3 attributes and an image obtained from the returned JSON data. So you can see it starts off, I've kind of been clicking around a little bit too, but you start off usually with a picture of a cat, and then I think normally it will, well, let's refresh it. I'll just show you. There we go. That's a bad example. There we go. That's the first time I ever had it do 2 of the same. But yeah, so you're presented with these cats, right? You have your 3 attributes down here. They're all clickable, and they, it switches over hover to the button, to the pointer, just like these do. And they expand a little bit, which I'm not used to doing because with CSS, I know how to deal with Tailwind a lot easier. And over here's band list, but we haven't got there yet, so let's keep going. So the type of attribute displayed for each image should be consistent, so they will all say breed, origin, and their lifespan. Only one item or data from the API call response is viewable at a time, and at least 1 image is displayed per API call. 1 data set, 1 image, right here. The big, fluffy kitty cat. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these cats, but it looks beautiful. Anyway, moving on. Displayed attributes should match the displayed image, obviously. So this is a Norwegian forest cat. Originates from Norway, which makes sense because it's Norwegian. And it's got a lifespan right there of 12 to 16 years. Let's see. Displayed attributes should match display. We're right there. And the displayed breed should be Siamese, not Ragdoll, or another breed that doesn't match. There is at least 1 image. Yeah, we got that all. Great. So moving on, the API call response results should appear random to the user. And we'll discover cat, discover cat, discover cat, discover cat. Oh, it was had a heterochromia. That was kind of cool. This one does too. Look at that. So it's got a pretty large data set. Like, I've seen a couple of the same cat. Oh, that's a cute one. A munchkin. It's got little stubby legs. Anyway, that one looks like it belongs to a big cat family. Anyway, sorry, we're getting distracted. That's the problem with cats, right? Everybody loves cats. You got to pay the cat tax. Clicking on a displayed value for 1 attribute adds it to a displayed band list. At least 1 attribute for each API should be clickable. They're all clickable. Clicking on a clickable attribute not on the band list should immediately add it to the band list. Band list. I'm trying to say band lift. That's weird. So we go breed. Now I set it so when you click that, because you've just banned one of its attributes, it goes away, right? So I can click on discover cat here. It will get something that will not be Bermuda. I've never heard of that kind of cat. This one's a Siberian. So, sorry, I keep losing my place here. It's been a long weekend for me. Clicking, okay, we immediately add it. Clicking on the attribute from the band list should immediately remove it from the band list. Well, guess what? It sure does. No attributes are set now, or banned, or whatever. Attributes on the band list prevent further images, API results, and we just showed that. So, and to kind of prove that point, I made it so you can actually go back and you could click on previous cats in your cat history, right? Oh, you notice it scrolls without an unsightly scroll bar. I did that too. That's one thing because I thought it looked ugly. I made sure everything fit on at least my standard screen here. Well, I don't know if mine's standard, but it's a 32-inch screen without a scroll bar. So, another thing. Oh, we're still on the band list. If I click this, like we did before, it removes it. Now, you saw me click this and bring it back, earlier. But that's because it wasn't on the ban list. If it's on the ban list, boom, this cat cannot be reloaded because one of its attributes is banned. If I undo it, there the cat goes. All right. Should not result in image attributes with attributes. We got that. To ensure an accurate grade, your recording must show that when clicked, the attribute in the banned list is immediately removed from the list of banned attributes. I'm pretty sure we met that well. So optional things that were listed that were possible. Multiple types of attributes are clickable. Oh yeah. So let's do that. We can go back to here. Siberian. Oop. See, this guy can't be listed because he's got something that matches. The ragamuffin. Huh. That's funny. And we get rid of that. So now, exotic short hair. None of these things they're starting to make them non-clickable. So now we won't see, if we click that, we won't see any cat from the United States. Boom. Russian blue. Cyprus. United Kingdom. Russia. United Kingdom. Nothing's United States. But let's undo it and see if it gives us, yeah, see right there, United States right back. And then again, look, I mean, you go all the way down here. You can see all these cats that we've clicked. So, users can see the stored history. That's the other thing I did. Boom, results, multiple sessions. It's a dedicated section all on its own. It's everything we've been clicking on since I hit refresh. Now, for the additional features that I thought would be nice, because I don't like just plain stuff or, stuff that doesn't work that well. So let me show you. I'm going to get rid of those attributes there. The main photo is now clickable. When you click it, it exposes the entire photo because sometimes the photo won't fit all in one frame. Now, because I like user features for people to be comfortable with, so I'm used to seeing a picture and being able to hit escape. So to show you, okay, let me put my cursor over here. That's where my cursor is right now, and I hit escape. Boom, it's gone. So I also made it so that if you click the X, it goes away. And I also made it, if you click outside of the modal here, it goes away. Let's see. And that kind of stuff's important to me because it's the little things, like when I'm on a website, especially like when it's on like a website known for how well it works or how user-friendly it is, and I go to hit escape when something pops up, like whether it's even if it's a place with a pop-up ad, right? When I hit escape, that should go away. I shouldn't have to manually click X or not be able to click out either. So that's my 2 cents. I don't know if you guys share the same feelings there, but that's mine. And like I said, I made the photo history scrollable without that unsightly, ugly scroll bar because it didn't look good to me. And again, the photo history is clickable. You can go back as long as it's not part of the banned attributes. And since we don't have anything banned here, so let's see. Let's ban a Russian one. I want to go click on a different Russian blue. Well, that's a Russian blue, but it's a different cat. That's impressive. I didn't realize that. But I banned them both. So there we go. Thanks for watching. This was kind of an interesting project, and it was really easy to get sidetracked while looking at all the pictures of the cat. I'm a cat person, so there you go. Again, this is Robbie Weibman from the Spring 2026 CodePath WEB-102 Intermediate Web Development. Thank you for your time.